So now, after having understood about the psychology issues related to independent testing, now let us quickly talk about some of the code of ethics that an independent testing professional must be guided by. So, International Software Testing Qualifications Board has established a code of ethics for independent testing professionals. I encourage you to go to ISTQB.org and understand these ethical issues, but I'll take you through very quickly. So they have outlined the ethics for independent testing professionals under various headings. First heading is you have responsibility towards the public. Then you have some ethical responsibility towards client and employer. And you have some responsibility towards the product that you are testing. And you have to take responsibility to use your judgment in an appropriate manner. Then you have responsibility to perform set of management activities and how test management has to be done. Then you have some ethical responsibility towards your own profession, and you have some responsibility towards your colleagues, then yourself. So let me elaborate on from a public point of view. Certified software testers shall act consistent with the public interest, meaning you get involved in testing projects that are interest to public. Any project that is against the interest of public, as a independent tester, you should not get into those activities. And from a client employer standpoint of view, certified software testers shall act in a manner that is in the best interests of their client and employer, consistent with the public interest. You have to always take or safeguard the interests of your employer for whom you are performing testing, and also for the clients for whom you are performing software, within the context of your ethics towards public. Then the third one is you have a responsibility towards the product. Certified software testers shall ensure that the deliverables they provide on the product and systems they test meet the highest professional standards possible. If you have tested and you are certifying, you must ensure that highest professional standards are applied in the process of testing that product. Then from how do you apply your judgment? Certified software test engineers shall maintain integrity and independence in their professional judgment. Very important thing. You are testing a software on behalf of the end user. You should not be influenced by what the internal organizational politics tell you. You have to always take the side of the end user, the customer, because of software they shouldn't be inconvenienced. So when you really make a judgment about whether the software can be delivered or not, you must not be influenced by the internal politics of an organization. You must be always guided by the integrity, and you have to depend on your professional judgment. From a management point of view, certified software test managers and leaders shall subscribe to and promote an ethical approach to management of software testing. Whenever we are managing software testing, they are following standards as laid out by the ISTQB organization. And towards your own profession, you have some things you have to commit. Certified software test engineers shall advance the integrity and reputation of the profession consistent with the public interest. So you have to keep on participating in variety of conferences, bring new types of testing methodologies, new techniques. You have to contribute to this profession and take the profession forward. That is also one responsibility you must take as an independent testing professional. And also you have responsibility towards your colleagues. Certified software testers shall be fair and supportive of their colleagues and promote cooperation with software teams, very important. Then self, you have responsibility as an individual test engineer. Certified software testers shall participate in lifelong learning regarding the practice of their profession and shall promote an ethical approach to the practice of the profession. So these are all very important. You must read them once, and as you are going to be a professional tester, keep this code of ethics in your mind. It will help you. So to give a recap, what we have done in this lecture, we understood the issues related to psychology of testing. Especially we identified the viewpoints of developers and testers in the process of software development. And also we have listed ways in which testers can work effectively with developers, because independence of testing, it gives objectivity around testing, but it can unnecessarily create tensions between the development and testing. So we helped you on how to overcome that. And also we finally talked about ISTQB Code of Ethics for professional testers. So hope this has been useful. So learn and have fun.